Hello and welcome to today's tutorial, and today I'm going to show you how to make this pattern. And this pattern is really easy to make, and it is really fast as well. So in this pattern I used a number 4 medium weight yarn, and I used a 4.0 millimeter crochet hook. This pattern calls for multiples of 6 plus 1, so you're going to chain multiples of 6, then at the end of it all add 1, so you're adding 1 just one time. So go ahead and make your chain, and I will meet you when you have your chain. So I now have my chain, and I'm going to skip 3. Remember, the one on the hook does not count as a chain, so count from the second one, that is your first one. So 1, 2, 3, and into my fourth one I'm going to do a double crochet. So I will need 5 double crochets, and this one is my number 1 and 2, so I'm going to do 3 more. So 3, 4, and 5. So after your 5 double crochets, you're going to chain 1, and you're going to skip 1 stitch and go into the next one and make another 5 double crochets. So that is 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So after your 5 double crochets, you're going to chain 1, and you're going to skip 1 stitch, and into the next one make another 5 double crochets. So that is 1, into the next one, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And then again you're going to chain 1 and skip 1 and continue. So I will meet you at the end here, and I will show you what to do next. So this is almost my last one, so I'm going to skip 1 and then do a double crochet, a double crochet onto the next one. So on this last end you will need 3 double crochets, and if you still have your stitches, these stitches, so for me I have 2 more to go, but I only need 3. So remember, here we have 5 and we must have 3 here. So what you do, you're just going to undo it. You see you have that tail, so just undo it. So that's it, and then later on you will cut this tail. So now you have 3 at the end here, and now you're going to chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and turn. After your 3 chain 3, you're going to skip that first stitch there, and into your second one make a double crochet. So we need 5 double crochets, so your chain 3 will count as your first double crochet. So you have 3, and your 4th double crochet will go into this chain one space here. Then you're going to do a double crochet there, so that is 4, and your next one will be here, so that is 5. So after your 5 double crochets, you're now going to come back to this space and you're going to yarn over and do a puff of 3. So 1, 2 and 3, then pull. You have 2 loops and then pull again. So you're going to skip 2 stitches, so 1, 2 and into the next one, make a double crochet. So you're going to make 5 double crochets, so that is 2, so that is 2, 3, 4 and 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we actually did more. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then come to this space and do a puff. So yarn over and do a puff of 3. So 1, 2 and 3. Then you have 2 loops and then pull again. So again you're going to skip 2, 1, 2 into your third one, make a double crochet into the next one, double crochet into the next one, double crochet into the next one, double crochet into that space. So 4 and 5. So your 5 double crochets, you're coming back here, so yarn over and do a puff of 3. So 1, 2 and 3. So go ahead, skipping 2, then make 5 double crochets, and I will meet you here. So coming to the end here, now you're going to skip 2 and you will have 3 double crochets at the end. So that is 1, 2, and your third one will be on this chain 3, and then you're going to chain 3, 1, 2, 3 and turn. So you're going to skip that first one and into the second one make a double crochet. So you're making 5 double crochets again, so that is 3, 4 and 5. So you now coming back to where you had skipped 2 stitches, and you're going to make a puff. So yarn over and make a puff of 3. So 1, 2 and 3, then pull. You have 2 loops, then pull again. So again you're going to skip 2 stitches, so there is a stitch hidden here, so you're going to skip 1, 2 and into the third one you're going to make a double crochet, a double crochet. So that is 3, 4 and 5. So this is our 5th one. This is 5. And now you're coming back to this space and make a puff of 3. So yarn over and do a puff of 1, 2, and 3. And pull. You have 2 loops. Pull again. So you're going again to skip 2, 1, 2, and into the 3rd one, make a double crochet, a double crochet into the next one, a double crochet into the next one. So that is 3, 4, and 5. So you're coming back here and do a puff of 3. So yarn over and 1, 2, and 3. So again, you're going to repeat the same process, skipping 2. Remember there is a stitch here, so skip 1, 2, and into the 3rd one, make double crochet. So repeat, and I will meet you at the end to show you the next row. So getting to the end here, I'm going to skip 2, 1, 2, and I'm going to have a double crochet. So at the end, I'm going to have 3 double crochets. The last one will be on that. Chain 3, and then again you're going to chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and you're going to skip this one and go to the next one. So you're now just going to repeat the same procedure. So that is 3, 4, and 5. So now you're going to yarn over and come back here onto this space and do a puff of 3. 1, 2, and 3. Then pull through, then you have 2 loops, and then pull. So you're now just going to repeat the same. So you're going to skip 2 chains, 2 stitches, 1, 2, into the 3rd stitch, make a double crochet, a double crochet, a double crochet, so that is 3, 4, and 5. So you're coming back here, so yarn over, come back here and do a puff of 3. 1, 2, and 3. Then pull through your puff, and then you have 2 loops, and then pull through. So you're now just going to repeat all through. It's just really easy. Just repeat until you get to the desired height of your project, and I hope you have a good crocheting, and thank you so much.